Hello everyone, I'm BL Sharma Math sir discussing exercise 9.1, that is some application of trigonometry, class 10th mathematics, chapter number 9, NCERT, and this is question number 12. Question number 12 is on your screen, and the question says, from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of top of a cable tower is found to be 60 degree. ये 7 मीटर टॉल बिल्डिंग है और ये केबल टावर है और यहां से टॉप ऑफ द बिल्डिंग जो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन दिस एंगल इज 60 डिग्री। ध्यान रखिए, एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन इज विद द हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन। आपको ये लाइन ड्रॉ करनी पड़ेगी ए और यहां पे एंगल आपको बनाना पड़ेगा। तो ड्रॉ हियर अ पैरेलल लाइन मींस हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन एंड दिस एंगल फ्रॉम द टॉप ऑफ बिल्डिंग टू द टॉप ऑफ केबल टावर इज, दिस इज एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन। बिल्डिंग के टॉप से केबल जो टावर है उसके टॉप का जो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन और 60 डिग्री है, आपको ये लाइन हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन बनानी पड़ेगी। नाउ फ्रॉम द सेम पॉइंट एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन फ्रॉम द टॉप ऑफ बिल्डिंग टू द फुट ऑफ द टावर इज 45 डिग्री, मीन्स दिस एंगल इज 45 डिग्री। हमेशा ध्यान रखिए, एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन और एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन हमेशा हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन के साथ होता है। ये नहीं है एंगल ऑफ, this is not angle of depression, but since the two lines are parallel, you can say that this line and this line, these two lines are parallel. So the two angles will be equal. This angle will be equal to this angle, alternate angles. So this angle will also be 45 degree right here. Angle BCA is also 45 degree. Because these and this angle and this angle, these two angles are alternate interior angles. Now, you can take this right triangle ABC. This angle is 90 degree. This angle is 45 degree. So, in this triangle, right angle triangle ABC, you can say that this angle is 45 degree. This angle will also 45 degree. So, this triangle, the right angle triangle will be an isosceles triangle. So, in isosceles triangle, AB is equal to BC. Since AB is 7 meter, so BC is also equal to 7 meter. और आप trigonometric ratio से भी ले सकते हो. How? AC is equal to AB is equal to 7 meter. This 7 meter. So this is also 7 meter. Let height of the tower is h meter. S that is equal to the height of the tower, and DE is equal to h minus 7 because the total height is h meter. This is 7 meter. That is why this DE is h minus 7 meter. Now, in the right triangle ABC, AB upon BC is equal to tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So AB is equal to BC. ये AB और ये BC इक्वल है because AB is 7 meter, so BC is also 7 meter. BC is equal to A, that is also 7 meter. So you can write 7 meter. AE is also 7 meter. We have to determine this h because this is here C2E, that is 7 meter. It means we have to calculate this one. Now, in right triangle AED, this A, this E, and this D. DE upon AE for acute angle 60 degree, that is tan 60 degree. DE is H minus 7, AE is 7, tan 60 is equal to root 3. So H minus 7 is 7 root 3. 7 को right hand side ले जाइएगा. So H is equal to 7 root 3 plus 7. Take 7 common. So it is root 3 plus 1. So the height of the tower, that is H, that is 7 multiplied by root 3 plus 1 meter. Answer. This height is 7 multiplied by root 3 plus 1 meter. That's all for this question. Question number 13, as observed from the top of 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other, the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Here, AB's lighthouse height is 75 meter. At D, one ship is there, and at C, other ship is there. The angle of depression of the two ships is found to be 45 degree and 30 degree. Depression horizontal line के साथ यहां से बनेगा this angle is 30 degree. We know that two lines are parallel, so if this angle is 30 degree, this angle will also be 30 degree. And the angle of depression of this car means this angle is 45 degree. So the other ships, these are not car, these are ships. ये 45 degree है, तो ये angle भी 45 degree होगा. There are two ships at D and C. Angle of depression of this car as observed from here, that is 45 degree. Of this car, depression, angle of depression is 30 degree, but these angles are, since these two lines are parallel, so alternate angles are equal. So angle D is 30 degree and angle C is equal to 45 degree. AB is 75 meter, that is height of the lighthouse. हमें ये बताना है कि ये कितना distance. Find a distance between the two ships. The distance between the two ships is CD. So, in right triangle ABC, AB upon BC means AB upon BC, that is tan 45 degree. AB 75, BC as it is, tan 45 is 1, so AB is equal to BC. It means if AB is 75 meter, BC is equal to also 75 meter. BC is equal to also 75 meter. Now in right triangle ABD, AB upon BD, AB upon BD is equal to tan 30. AB 75, BD is equal to AB upon BD, tan 30 is equal to 1 upon root 3. So AB 75 in place of BD, that is 1 upon root 3. So BD is equal to 75 root 3. The distance from BD, that is 75 root 3. The CD 75, we need DC. So DC will be 75 root 3 minus 75. BD minus BC, that is 75 root 3 minus 75, take 75 common, root 3 minus 1. That's all. So the distance between the two ships, that is 75 multiplied by root 3 by minus 1 meter answer. Means this distance. This distance is equal to 75 multiplied by root 3 by minus 1 meters. That's all. Question number 14 on your screen. A 1.2 meter tall girl sports a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eye of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. The height of the girl, this AP, is 1.2 meter, and total height from here to here, that is 88.2 meter. After some time, the angle of elevation becomes 60 degree or 30 degree. So see the figure. ये बैलून की पोजीशन अब ये है, यहां से बैलून यहां आ गया है, और यू कैन से AC is the distance traveled by the balloon. Here you can say dB is the distance traveled by the balloon. This angle reduces to 30 degree. This one 30 degree. We have to find out the distance traveled by the balloon, that is CE or BD. See the figure. BC is equal to the total here to here is 88.2 meter, but this is 1.2 meter. So BC will be 88.2 minus 1.2. That is 87 meters. So right, BC is equal to 87 meters since BC is equal to DE. So this is also 87 meter. This CB or BC is 87 meter. हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना है BD. So in right triangle ABC, see the right triangle ABC, BC upon AB, that is tan 30. BC is 87, AB as it is, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So AB is equal to 87 root 3 meter. Means here to here, the distance is 87 root 3 meter, this distance. Now, in right triangle ADE, this right triangle, because here acute angle 60 degrees involved, you can write DE upon AD, that is tan 60. DE is 87 upon AD, tan 60 is equal to root 3. So AD is equal to 87 root 3 meter. AD means here to here. This is 87 root 3 meter. So distance traveled by balloon is BD is equal to AB minus AD. AB का value put करिए 87 root 3. And AD put करिए 87 root 3. Take LCM and get answer. 174 upon root 3. Rationalize करिए denominator को. Multiply by root 3 into root 3. So that is 174 root 3 upon 3. that is 58 root 3 meters. So distance traveled by the balloon is 58 root 3 meter. Answer. Here to here, distance traveled means this distance. Or you can say this distance. So dB or AC, that is one and the same thing. And the answer is, that's all for this question. Question number 15, a straight highway leads to the foot of tower. This is tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes here. एक मैन खड़ा है और दो कार्स को ऑब्जर्व करता है. Angle is found to be 30 degree. Angle is found to be 60 degree. The time taken from here to here, that is 6 seconds. एक ही कार है जो यहां से यहां तक आती है 6 seconds में, from A to B. The angle of diffraction is found to be 30 degree, then 60 degree. Since this angle is 30 degree, this angle is also 30 degree. Alternate angles are equal. This angle is 60 degree, so this angle is also 60 degree. Alternate angles are equal. Angle of depression 30 to 60 हो जाता है. तो बताइए, और यहां से यहां आने में 6 सेकंड लगता है, तो बताइए BC में यहां से यहां तक आने में, मीन्स फुट ऑफ टावर तक आने में कितना टाइम लगेगा और यहाँ टोटल टाइम कितना लगेगा. देखिए यहाँ पे टाइम इज गिवन फॉर द साइन थीटा कोस थीटा, वी नीड डिस्टेंस. हमें हमें ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो अप्लाई करने के लिए डिस्टेंस चाहिए, लेकिन हमें पता है डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू टाइम इनटू स्पीड. यहाँ पे हमें स्पीड को सपोज करना पड़ेगा. लेट द हाइट ऑफ द टावर दैट इज DC and the speed of the car be x meter per second. स्पीड में यह है AB is equal to distance covered means time into speed. देखिए टाइम है 6 सेकेंड और स्पीड आई है, डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू टाइम इनटू स्पीड. सो यू कैन से दिस डिस्टेंस AB इज इक्वल टू 6x मीटर. सिमिलरली हमने ये सपोज किया कि लेट टाइम टेकन फ्रॉम B टू C इज T सेकेंड, कोई भी वेरिएबल सपोज कर लीजिए. सो अगेन the distance BC is equal to distance is equal to time into speed. We know that time is given T and speed is given X. So here B to C is TX meters. Now, in right triangle BCD, DC upon BC, that is 1060. DC is equal to BC into 1060, but BC is TX. 1060 is equal to root 3. Equation number 1. Now in right triangle ACD, the acute angle is 30 degree. Again, DC upon AC is equal to 1030. DC is equal to AC is equal to AC is equal to C. ये AC है. AC means 6x plus TX. DC is equal to 6x plus TX 1 upon root 3. But we know that DC is equal to DC. That is why TX root 3 is equal to 6x plus TX upon root 3. TX root 3 is equal to 6x plus TX multiplied by root 3. Cross multiply करिए. Root 3 into root 3, so 3TX is equal to 6x plus tx. 3tx minus tx, that is 2tx, is equal to 6x. So t is equal to 6x upon 2x. X and x cancel, t is equal to 3. So time taken from B to C, that is t second, means 3 seconds. But total time A to C, that is 3 seconds plus 6 seconds, total time is 9 seconds. That's all for this question. This question also important. So thank you.